Welcome to JKS. We are located in Switzerland, very close to Zurich Airport and Zurich City. My name is Laurent, and today we will show you our newest family member. It's a disinfection robot. Most important, we will set new hygiene standards for you. So let's go right to it. Here he is, our newest family member, the HERO21. Let's go more into details. Starting here, there is a bumper, emergency stop bumper. On the side we have side sensors which go in these directions to make sure it's not going into open windows. Then we have an emergency stop on here, the touchpad to get control over the HERO21 on the unit. We have 8 UVC lamps and a 360 degrees sensor here on top. In the back there is the loading station, and I tell you what, scanning is very easy. It's like taking a dog for a walk on the leash. Come on, I show you how a real disinfection works. All you need to do now is take your iPad, choose the right room, then you have an overview of all the missions we have programmed for that room. I'm choosing disinfection. Now I have to make sure the room is clear, that nobody is in there. Checked, yes. So all I'm doing is hit the yes button. Now he is asking me again, mission start. It takes about 2 minutes for the lamps to start and light up. There are a few important things to know about the disinfection. We have a LiDAR sensor on top that makes sure all the lamps will shut off if somebody is entering the room. We have parameters, especially for each location, for each room. Let's say if we're in an operation room, we drive with different parameters than we do in patient rooms. We are disinfecting walls, windows, floor, ceiling, and the room air. Everything people touch, we get to. Let your hygiene standard reach another level with JKS and HERO21.